Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today we're talking about the NARS Light Reflecting Advanced Skin Care Foundation. So if you want to see how this foundation work, how it performs, you already know to do what we do on Foundation Friday. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back and time to talk, about Miss NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. So let's talk about her. My shade is Sarah Cruz, I think. Yep. Oh no, Aruba. And this is 1 fluid ounce, which is the reg. So there's 36 shades, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 32. Yeah. 36 shades. And it says it is the innovative blend of makeup and skincare instantly blurs imperfection, smooths the look of textured skin, and helps conceal blemishes, dark spots, and redness. Visibly improves skin's clarity after 6 weeks of daily use, even after makeup is removed. Powered by advanced skincare ingredients that help defend against environmental aggressors and blue light. It immediately strengthens the skin's barrier to help maintain its moisture, and then it says it's suitable for all skin types or most skin types, so that's good, including sensitive skin. Medium buildable coverage with a natural finish, breathable all day, 36 shades. So that 6 weeks thingy that they said, you see visibly improvement of the skin. It said they studied 31 women. I don't think that's good enough of but let us jump right into her. The first, I'm gonna use Wise, or I use Wise to kind of tint. This is from Tinted to clean out my discoloration, and let us jump into her real quick. Give her a shake. I'm drinking my Starbucks tea. This is a venti iced chai tea with, usually I get it with oatmeal, but they're out of oatmeal, so I got the coconut milk. It's actually not my favorite with the coconut milk, so yeah. Is there another pump? Oh, I hate when they don't have a pump. Or did I? Oh, there is a pump. Why am I taking it off like that? Oh, this is pretty. And this is on a it's from Luxie, and it's a what? 7:32. Everybody's calling me right now. Today's my birthday, and I get all these phone calls. I'm not complaining. I'm very grateful that I have family that loves me. I'm like, nope, not right now. I will call them back though. This is so pretty, so pretty. I thought Aruba was gonna be too light, but I think that's my perfect shade. So I'm getting ready to go out to dinner. It's my birthday, as I said. I'm not really gonna dress up like crazy. I'm actually in Texas, and it's supposed to be cold tonight, like in the teens, and I'm like, so I'm not wearing a dress. I'm most likely gonna wear maybe like a leggings and my Jordans, just something that's gonna keep me warm, because I can't with the colds. Just going to one size. Man, today my wig is wigging. Like, it's like that. It's like so good. Like, usually I'm not that good at laying my edges, but it is like laid. Like, yes, there's come through with that layer. Usually I'm not that good. That's why I'm tooting my own horn today, because When you do a good job, you do a good job. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I am saying? Okay, so this is how everything is looking. This base is stunning. I love how everything is laid over top. Everything is just, you know, laid really nice. So as usual, I'll give you 2 check-ins and I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the night on how the foundation work, how it does work, how it perform, is it good, is it not good. So see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in. Oh, look at the fit though, you know, looking cute. This is my birthday outfit slash, you know, birthday dinner. But foundation is looking good. I can't really say if the foundation is gonna be great or not because I really just put it for maybe like an hour or 2. But everything is looking nice for now. But yeah, I love this jacket and this, you know. And I'm wearing my, can you see? No, I can't. I'm actually wearing my, you know, I can't even like change the video. I'm doing the most, I know. But yeah, everything is looking good. I will give you, you know, my one more check-in, and then at the end of the night I'll give you my final thoughts on how this foundation works. But yeah, for now everything is looking amazing. So talk to you guys later. The darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities. Lately got the best of me. Yeah. You got the best of me. Embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free. Yeah. Oh no. Hi guys, so I'm doing my final check-in. I know lips a little bit gone because I was eating. It's my birthday, right? So I have to eat, you know, usually even if I'm eating. But look at that light though. I'm actually downtown Austin in front of the Four Seasons, so everything is looking amazing. But yeah, foundation is still looking really good. Look at these earrings. I'm wearing like black earrings, like black hoops. I actually got this from Zales. If you guys are interested, they're only like 20 bucks. So yeah, but everything is still looking good. I don't have any creasing or anything on my foundation, so everything is still look on my face. Everything is still looking amazing. Look at that wig slate though. Looking amazing. I know I'm freezing cold. We're actually about to get some kind of cold front. I think it's like 40 degrees outside, 40, 47. But yeah, everything is looking great. I know my lipstick is like gross. That always happens though when I eat, so you guys should be used to that by now. But yeah, foundation is popping, but yeah, still looks good. But this is my final check-in, and I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night. See you guys later. My heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you Hi guys, so I'm back and time to give my final thoughts on this foundation. Look at this fit though. Like, oh, let me show you my fit. See, I'm wearing like a bodysuit and then my leather jacket from Express. Actually, the bodysuit I think is from Express too. I'm wearing some like pleather pants and those are from Hollister. Just in case if you're interested. I'm wearing these hoops as I said earlier on. These are actually from Zales and they were only like 20 bucks, so they were not crazy expensive. They're black hoops and they're stainless steels. These are my necklaces from my daughter for my birthday. Okay, so let us jump into this foundation. So this foundation looks amazing, right? Like it is just, that's another lip because I was eating. It's my birthday this one time, but usually I'm eating anyways. But yeah, this foundation, oh my god, looks so good. Like it looks so good. Everything, like I have a little shine here, but that's like, you know, my highlighter. And apart from that, I don't know, like everything looks so good, like so good. It's just, it's giving what it needs to give. This foundation I know is like what, $49? Is that the price? Let me make sure. Let me make sure what the price is. I think it's around that. Yeah, it's $49. But guys, as I said, like it's so good. It gives you a nice little dewy. But if you have really oily skin, there's no rule that say you can't wear a dewy luminous foundation. You just have to make sure you prime. Make sure you prime. Make sure you prep the skin, and you're good. Like just prep and you're good to go. But apart from that, like I really like how everything is laying. Like I've been wearing this foundation since, so maybe like 5-6 hours, and everything still looks amazing. I'm still like, you know, I could be on the streets and still like, you know, just going and going and going. Everything looks really good. So yeah, would I recommend this foundation? 100% yes. I would definitely recommend this foundation. I try to buy stuff like when Sephora have the VIB sale or when Ulta House take the 20% off. So yeah, I know $49 can be a lot for some people to spend on a foundation, but I totally recommend it. So that's it guys for this Foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers.